Let's understand the difference between the Akashic healing cards and the tarot cards. Many people come to me and say, ki, hey, are you going to read our soul contracts using the cards? I know this is a big myth going around that people are using the tarot card for reading the soul contracts, but this is absolutely wrong. I can say it very confidently and technically. Let me explain how. For example, that you have tuned your radio to the frequency of 10.42 channel, right? But you want to listen the radio Mirchi or some other program. So you will have to tune to the different frequency, maybe 98.3 or 95.2 or something other frequency based on your country and the location. What you are tuning into, you will catch that frequency, right? Another example is you want to talk to your mother, you will dial her phone number, that will get connect to your mother. If you want to talk to your friend, you will dial your friend's number and that will connect to the to the friend you want to talk to. So your phone is the same, the device is the same, but you are tuning into the different frequency, into the different bandwidth with whom you want to connect to. And according to that, you will shift. So it cannot be that when you are doing the reading of the soul contract using the simple traditional tarot card readings, it is like that you are tuning into some other radio channel and expecting some other channel songs to be played on. Or maybe you are dial your mother's phone number on you through using your mobile phone and expecting that some of your friend will talk to you. No, it's not going to happen. Same. The frequency of the tarot cards is very beautiful, but is a very different frequency when we talk about the soul contracts, when we talk about the soul energy, when we talk about the transformations, when we talk about the subconscious programs, when we talk about the step by step life journeys, your roles as a soul journey. It indicates about the karmic journey, but it doesn't explain you. Whereas the Akashic healing cards is that powerful uh, frequency and a tool, the device, the number, the channel where you need to tune in to read your soul contracts into the detail. It depicts, it shows you exactly where your energy in your soul journey is landing right now, what soul contract is active right now, what is going on at a very, very deep subconscious level, which is impacting your energy alignment. This is not about the predictions, this is about energy alignment, transformation, shadow work, soul alignment, liberation, knowing a lot about yourself, right? So I trust that now you have understood the difference between the tarot cards and my Akashic healing cards. So next time, if somebody tells you that they are going to read your Akashic records using the tarot cards, you will be knowing that what is good for you. However, this is undoubtedly a 85 card deck, a powerful card deck that explains your soul contracts in a whole lot detail. But how you gonna read them? What kind of support you require while reading them? I will explain it further.